Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Intuit QuickBooks, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Intuit QuickBooks, launch the QuickBooks application on your device. Sign in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Reports tab located in the left-hand menu. In the Reports section, search for Budget versus Actuals. Select the report to open it for review. Now, click on the Create Budget button to begin creating a new budget. Choose the fiscal year for which you wish to create the budget. Select the appropriate budget type for your needs, usually profit and loss or cash flow. Click Next to proceed with defining your budget settings. Enter the income and expense categories relevant to your business. For each category, input your projected amounts for the budgeted period. Once all categories are filled, review the entries for accuracy. When satisfied, click the Save button to store your budget. To adjust or edit your budget later, return to the Budget versus Actuals report. Click on the Edit button next to the budget you wish to modify. Make any necessary changes and click Save again to update your budget. To analyze your budget performance, return to the Report tab. Review the Budget versus Actuals report regularly to track your financial progress. If needed, generate additional reports for deeper insights into your financial health. Utilize these insights to make informed decisions for your business moving forward. Remember to adjust your budget periodically to reflect changes in your business environment. With these steps, you can effectively budget using Intuit QuickBooks. This will help you manage your financial resources wisely and support your business growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.